Retirement? Honey, I'm just getting started. Hey y'all, it's your Queen Paulette checking in. Retirement, what a beautiful word, right? People hear it and picture a rocking chair, a glass of sweet tea, or maybe a little afternoon nap. But let me tell you something. My crown didn't come with a snooze button. I may have stepped away from the 9 to 5 grind, but I did not retire my ambition. Instead of a rocking chair, I pulled up my laptop, and honey, I'm loving every minute of it. Why did I choose dropshipping? When I first started looking at what came next, I asked myself, what lights me up? I want 3 things. I want to be able to have freedom to travel and spend those late days without a boss breathing down my neck. A way to keep my mind sharp and my creativity flowing. And that's happening. And let's be honest, some extra cha-ching to spoil the grandbabies. And maybe the doodle and the poodle too. Of course, my grandbabies live far off, so I can't really spoil them that much. Drop shipping ticked all of those boxes. It's like running a boutique without ever touching a box cutter. Products move straight from the suppliers to the customers while I sip on my mimosas or a little something stronger like maybe some wine on my porch. The earlier days, I had some lessons and I had some laughs. Now let's be real. It wasn't all smooth sailing when I started. My first week, I felt like I was learning a new language, kind of like back in the Army learning Morse code. Product research, supplier checks, setting up my online store. It was like drinking from a fire hose, and I've done that before. I even had a moment where I accidentally listed a product twice and almost sold out of something I didn't technically have. Bless it. But you know what? If I could survive the Army, which I did, raise 2 kids and keep 8 grandkids entertained, a few website hiccups are just another Tuesday. The learning curve and hidden cost are just one of the biggest surprises to me was the cash flow. You make a sale, cha-ching, but you don't actually see the money until the product's been shipped out and the platform that you've shipped it from releases the funds. So here's a little queen tip. Keep you a cash cushion. Don't spend those profits before the money's in your account. And shipping delays? Oh, honey. Sometimes suppliers move slower than a molasses in January. Patience and good customer communication are your best friends. But do you know what? There's some wins and why it's worth it. So let me tell you the good stuff. The thrill when that first real sale notification popped up, I squealed louder than my grandkids at a water park. And it hasn't lost its sparkle, and I hope it never does. I get to choose products that I love, things I'd buy myself. So every sale feels personal. I set my own hours. If I want to film a TikTok at midnight or work from the boat on a sunny Friday or Saturday, nobody tells me otherwise. That's the kind of freedom I dreamed of when I turned in my office keys. So all you fellow retirees out there thinking about trying this royal hustle, here's my royal decree. Number 1, start small. Test a few products before going big. It's easier to learn the ropes without juggling 50 items. Automate early. Tools like AutoDS keeps orders tracked and organized, and it saves that manicure. Build a little cash cushion. Remember those payment delays and shipping surprises? Well, you need something on the side. Pick products you actually like. Your excitement will show in your marketing, and customers can feel that. Keep learning. Platforms update, trends change. Stay curious. Retirement is not the time to let your brain rust. So, my personal reflection, it's more than money. This journey isn't about just making money. It's about keeping my spark alive. Retirement can be a strange season. After decades of structure, suddenly you're the boss of every hour. For me, dropshipping gave me a purpose, a new challenge. And let's be honest, a reason to keep my lipstick and my crown polished. I've met incredible people in online communities. I've learned new tech skills. Oh, have I ever. AI has been my blessing, and proven to myself that age doesn't have an expiration date on ambition. So what about you? Maybe you're retired. Maybe you're just daydreaming about freedom. Don't let anyone tell you you're too old to start something new. If this queen can run a digital storefront from her sofa, sometimes with a poodle on one side and a doodle on the other, you can chase your own dream. Drop a comment and tell me what side hustle you're thinking about. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep this royal journey rolling. Until next time, keep your crown high, your coffee strong, and remember, retirement isn't the end of the story. It's the start of your next big chapter. Because, honey, those golden years, they're looking mighty shiny. And I plan to cash in on every sparkle. Bye now.